7. Staying healthy. Children, the 7th lesson in the course book is Staying Healthy. And now we will do the workbook part for this lesson, Staying Healthy. Under exercise 10, we have the first bit. Color the box blue for a good habit and red for a bad habit. Children, here we have 4 sentences. In these sentences, we have to identify the good habit and color the box given beside the sentence in blue color. And if the sentence is a bad habit, we should color the box with the red color. Now I will read the sentences one by one and we will color the box. A. We should brush our teeth daily. So can you tell me, is this a good habit or a bad habit? We should brush our teeth daily. Yes, children, this is a good habit. So we will color the box with blue. We should brush our teeth daily. This is a good habit. So we are coloring the box with the blue. B. We should not wash our hands before a meal. Children, this is a bad habit. So for a bad habit, we should color the box with red. So color the box beside this sentence in red color. We should not wash our hands before a meal. This is a bad habit. So we will color the box with red. You can do this activity in your workbook. C. We should get up early in the morning. Yes, this is a good habit. We should get up early in the morning. This is a good habit. So we will color the box with blue. D. We must keep our nails long. This is a bad habit. We must keep our nails long is a bad habit. So we will color the box with the red. Yes, you can do this activity in your workbook. Color the boxes blue color, which are good habits, and which are bad habits, you color the box with the red color. Let me read the sentences once again for you. We should brush our teeth daily. This is a good habit. We should not wash our hands before a meal. This is a bad habit. Next, C. We should get up early in the morning. This is a good habit. D. We must keep our nails long. This is a bad habit. So, you should color the boxes blue color if the sentence is good habit and red color if the sentence is a bad habit. Now we will move to the next bit. 2. The second bit here is, in which order would you do these things? Number the pictures as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, here we have 4 pictures. And the name of this boy is Vibhu. So here we have pictures of, here the boy is ready. He is wearing a uniform and is ready to go to school. And here the boy is brushing. And here the boy is taking a bath. And here the boy is combing his hair. Now you should put these pictures in order. In the correct order, like what you do first. Do you first brush or do you take bath? How do you do these things? You have to put the correct numbers in the given boxes. For example, I will show you. First, brush the teeth. He brushes his teeth. So this one we will take as number 1. Then take the bath. This we will do it as number 2, the second thing. And the third thing, he combs his hair. So the third thing we will do is comb the hair. And lastly, wears clean uniform and is ready to go to school. So these are the correct orders to do the things. You can order these numbers in the order you would do these things. Like maybe you take a bath first and then brush teeth. So you can change the order like you do these things yourself and write the correct order numbers in the given boxes. Now the second bit is complete. We will move to the third bit. In the third bit, 3, underline the correct option to fill in the blanks. Children, here we have 3 sentences and blanks in them. And the correct word in this blank is one among the given 2 options. So we have to select any one from these given options in the bracket, underline and then write in the blank. A. I brush dash once/twice a day. So how many times you brush your teeth? This is twice. Underline the word twice in your workbook and write in the blank twice. TWICE, twice. I brush twice a day. Next one, B. I bath dash once/twice a day. So here the correct word is how many times you take a bath. Underline the word here. For example, if it is once, underline ONCE this word and then write in the blank here ONCE once. I bath once a day. C. I eat dash 2/3 times a day. Now which is the correct word here for you? You underline the word. For example, THREE 3. Underline 3 and write in the blank THREE 3. I eat 3 times a day. So this is about fill in the blanks. I brush twice a day. I bathe once a day. I eat 3 times a day. This is about the third bit. And now we will move to the next bit. And the fourth bit here is let's answer. Here we have 3 questions. We will read the question and then write the answer. A. Why should we keep our body healthy? And the answer for this question is we should keep our body healthy to stay fit and strong. Children, why should we keep our body healthy? We should keep our body healthy to stay fit and strong. B. What should we do to keep our body healthy? The answer for this is we should have good habits to keep our body healthy. And this is the answer for this question. C. When should we wash our hands? And the answer for this is we should wash our hands before and after meal and after going to toilet. And these are the answers for these given questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. A. Why should we keep our body healthy? We should keep our body healthy to stay fit and strong. B. What should we do to keep our body healthy? And the answer is we should have good habits to keep our body healthy. C. When should we wash our hands? And the answer is we should wash our hands before and after meal and after going to toilet. And this is about the fourth bit. Let's answer. You can write these answers in your workbook. And now we will move to the next bit. Let's do it. Children, the next section here is let's do it. Complete a picture story. Take help from the box. Children, here we have a picture story, and in this we have some sentences and some blanks and some pictures given, and with the help of these images and the words given in the box here, we have to write the correct words in the blanks and complete this picture story. Now first we will read the words in the box given here. The words are sun, comb, brush, lunch box, exercise, bath, school bag, soap, breakfast, shampoo, milk, towel, school, uniform. So children, these are the words given in the box here. With the help of these words and the help of these pictures, we will fill in the correct words in these blanks and complete the story. Now I will start reading the incomplete story here. I wake up early in the morning. The dash is shining. So here near the blank we have a picture of a sun. So here we will write the word sun. The sun is shining. It is a new day. I dash my teeth. And here the picture is given of a brushing teeth. So we will write here brush. I brush my teeth. I do some dash. I take dash with water. So children, near this blank we have a picture of a boy doing exercise. So we will write here in the blank the word exercise. And then here we have a picture of a boy taking bath. So we will write here in the blank bath. So I do some exercise. I take bath with water. Next, I use dash and dash to clean my body. Here we have the pictures of soap and shampoo. So we will write here in the blank soap, and this is a shampoo. We will write here in this blank shampoo. I use soap and shampoo to clean my body. Next sentence, I dry myself with dash and put on my school dash. And here near the dash we have a towel. So we will write here in the blank towel. And put on my school dash. This is a picture of a school uniform. So we will write here uniform. I dry myself with towel and put on my school uniform. Next sentence, I dash my hair. Here the boy is combing his hair. So we will write here comb. I comb my hair. I put my dash in my dash. This is a lunch box and this is a school bag. So we will write here in the blanks lunch box and here school bag. I put my lunch box in my school bag. Next, I eat my dash and drink dash. So here this picture is that of a bread sandwich. So we will write here breakfast and drink. This is a picture of a milk. We will write here milk. Then I go to dash. This is a picture of a school. So we will write here school. Then I go to school. So children, now using the words given in the box, we have completed the blanks here with the help of the pictures. Now I will read the picture story after completing the blanks. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining. It is a new day. I brush my teeth. I do some exercise. I take bath with water. I use soap and shampoo to clean my body. I dry myself with towel and put on my school uniform. I comb my hair. I put my lunchbox in my school bag. I eat my breakfast and drink milk. Then I go to school. So children, this is about the picture story. And we have completed the let's do it section. And with this section we have completed the workbook part also for the lesson staying healthy.